Nyla, I don't know if I can ever trust a man again. You know I have been taken advantage of by guys who I have trusted so much. Since then, I have built up walls. I vowed that I would never let anyone again get close to me, to hurt me. So when I saw Mark boasting and acting the most way, it really triggered me. It brought back so much memories. I am just tired of being let down. I'm tired of being hurt, tired of giving my all and it's never appreciated.
What happened to you was evil. It created scars in places that no one can see. But listen to me. Walls don't only block out pain, they block love too. It's easier to be hard than risk being soft. Easier to say men can't be trusted than admit that I'm afraid to trust again. But hardness isn't power. Bitterness isn't wisdom.
But what if I open up and it happened again?
Then you will know you had the courage to try. Healing isn't pretending it never happened. Healing is refusing to let an old wound keep bleeding. Before I was married, I was like you, guarded, bitter. I thought my walls kept me safe, but really, they kept me empty. I had to unlearn my pride. I had to unlearn my bitterness. I had to risk being soft again. And that's when love found me. Don't let your past steal what God wants to give you. Savannah, open the gate. Let healing in. Let love in. Your story is not over. And the next chapter could be the one you have been waiting for.